Hello, thanks for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at graphing lines from equations. So let's begin. So what we want to do is graph these lines from slope-intercept form. And I have the slope-intercept form up here. You may be very well aware of it. It's y is equal to mx plus b, with m being the slope in green and b being the y-intercept in b. Okay. Another way to look at it is B is where you begin and M is where you move. So I'm going to show you that just exactly, okay? So let's take a look. Alright, so we've got y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 2, okay? So this is in y is equal to mx plus b format, okay? So first we're going to start, and feel free to pause the video and write down these steps if you need to. But you're going to start with negative 2, which is the y-intercept. That's where you begin at. So that's going to be on the y-intercept, on the y-axis at 0, negative 2. Then you're going to use the slope to find more points on the line. So you'll go up. So the slope, which is the way you move, is going to be 3 over 4 here. So we'll go up 3 and then to the right 4. So you go up if it's positive and go to the right if it's positive. You go down if it's negative and go to the left if it's negative, okay? But it's always rise over run, okay? And then finally you connect the points like so, okay? Let's take a look at a couple of examples. So here we've got y. Let's see if I can make this seeable. Here we got y is equal to 1/2 x plus 5, okay? Where we got the slope and the y-intercept. So we're going to begin with the y-intercept, which is 5. So it's positive 5, so I start at 0, 5. And then I'm going to move the slope, which is 1 over 2. So I go up 1 because it's positive. It goes to the right 2. And then finally I'm going to connect the dots like so. Alright, next we're going to do y is equal to 1/3 x plus 7. So I'm going to begin with the y-intercept, which is 7. I'm going to go up 1 and then go over 3. And that's going to be my slope and where I move. And I connect the dots like so to make my line. And that's it. That is graphing a line with the equation. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.